Hello, my name is Michael Chulak. I have 22 years of experience as an HOA attorney, and I've owned and supervised a property management company that specializes in homeowner associations in Southern California for 33 years. As a result, I've gained a great deal of experience and knowledge when it comes to homeowner association coverages. As you may know, homeowner associations in California are required to have certain minimum levels of insurance and certain coverages. However, not all associations are adequately covered, creating a major liability for the board of directors as well as a liability for each of the members of the association. In addition to the association, each member of the association, each homeowner, should have their own individual policy, and that policy should include loss assessment coverage. That is the subject of a separate video. It's very important. In addition, all people who are renting within a community association should be required to have a renter's policy. This protects not only the renter, but it can provide protection to the association as well. Now, while all board members know that they have to have insurance to protect the association property and the members of the association, most board members are not experts when it comes to insurance, and as a result, they will go to a broker or agent for advice, which certainly makes sense. The important question is, who should they be going to? And who is going to be able to give them the best advice and provide to them the best coverages at the best pricing? Now, there are two types of insurance providers. There are captive agents who represent their insurance company. They represent their employer. There are also independent broker agents, and those agents represent not the company, but they represent the insured, which is the homeowner association. This is a very important distinction. Captive agents are companies like Farmers, Allstate, and State Farm. These agents very clearly represent their employer. They represent the insurance company. On the other hand, independent insurance brokers and agents represent the insured, which is the homeowner association or the homeowner. They don't represent the insurance company. To illustrate, if you went to a farmer's agent and you asked the farmer's agent, who has the best insurance policy? They're going to say to you, Farmers. And it's very simple. They only can represent farmers. If you go to Allstate and you ask an Allstate agent who has the best policy, they're going to tell you their company is number one because they can only write for their company. Likewise, if you go to a State Farm agent and you ask the State Farm agent who has the best policy, since they can only write for State Farm, you're going to be told what you can predict, and that is that State Farm is the best. Now, do not misunderstand me. Farmers, Allstate, and State Farm, they may have the best policy, and sometimes they do in certain particular circumstances. But all three cannot be the best. And so The only way to really find out is to go to an independent broker agent. If an independent broker agent reviews your coverage and they find that Farmers or Allstate or State Farm does have the best coverage, they will tell you. But they will also tell you if one of perhaps 50 other major insurance companies that exist have a better policy at a better price. And so that independent insurance broker agent may be able to save your association a considerable amount of money. Now, on the subject of selecting the right broker agent, you want to make sure that whoever you talk to is prepared to provide your association with a no-cost evaluation. Most brokers will do that, and that's what you want. But there's another thing. If you can find an agent, a broker or an agent, who provides consulting services and expert witness services to attorneys, you know you have found the right person because they are going to be among the highest level people in terms of knowledge and experience. I hope this information has been helpful to you. Again, my name is Michael Chulak. I can be reached at 818-991-9019. Thank you very much for listening.